NASDAQ short, waiting for this 1 hour gap fill. It's really all about what are you gonna do. Not what you say you're gonna do, not what you wanna do, not what you think you can do, but what you're actually gonna do. Not every day is a winning trade. Some days we do take losses. It's gonna be the scent for the day. This is that Mont Blanc legend. For those that don't know, I'm big on my colognes. I am a little bit drunk, but that doesn't mean that I'm not sharp, but I'm not ready to go, man, because it's a confidence game, it's a risk management game, and then you gotta stick to the plan, and I'm ready to stick to the plan. I had to lose money for years, guys. I've been losing money for years before I started making money trading. The only thing is I didn't give up. I didn't give up because I knew what was possible and I knew what I'm capable of. Alright guys, so I'm trading live on VIP, getting ready to enter this NASDAQ short, waiting for this 1 hour gap fill, and we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. So I just took a sell on NASDAQ, right on that level that I waited all morning for. We got that gap fill, took a quick trade. I closed my trade because I was already up $500. Realistically, I could have let this trade run for probably 20-30 minutes and made a few $1,000s, but I don't want to risk it on this account. So this is a good example of what it means to not get greedy. I don't know if people know that, like, the time that it takes to become a good trader. Most people think that they could just jump into anything and expect results quickly, but trading is not that, guys. You have to put the time in, you have to put the work in, you have to learn everything. You have to learn everything from the platforms to the brokers, to understanding risk management, to understanding technical analysis, fundamental analysis, your own emotions, guys, your psychology when trading. So many things that come together to develop your trading system, that I just wanted to touch on that, because a lot of people get, overwhelmed, or a lot of people quit early, get frustrated when they don't see the results early on. I had to lose money for years, guys. I've been losing money for years before I started making money trading. The only thing is I didn't give up. I didn't give up because I knew what was possible and I knew what I'm capable of. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Heading to the studio. I spent pretty much the whole day filming content, editing content. I posted a YouTube video today, posted some content on social media. I did a one-on-one call with one of my students. Now I'm heading to the studio. I got a studio session. And yeah, man, I'm working. I'm locked in. I'm sticking to the schedule, sticking to the script, staying focused, staying consistent. And I want you guys to do the same, man. So anything that you feel like you need to do and that you're not doing, that you may be procrastinating, I'm here to tell you to go do it. Stop procrastinating. 2025 is the year where we get shit done and we really move things forward, and we don't wait to do things anymore, because it's really all about what are you gonna do. Not what you say you're gonna do, not what you wanna do, not what you think you can do, but what you're actually gonna do. So what are you gonna do? Alright guys, today we have a big upgrade. I'm in my studio in Fort Lauderdale. I still didn't do the studio tour, but I'm gonna do it soon. But I'm in my studio in Fort Lauderdale. We have a big upgrade today. I appreciate you guys that have been watching my videos. I know that my quality hasn't been the best, video, audio. Obviously, I'm working on it, but this year I told myself that I'm not focusing on perfection, and I'm gonna be putting out content. I'm going to be focused on what I'm focused on, and I'm gonna achieve everything I've set out for myself. But with that being said, today we have a major upgrade. So this right here, for those that don't know, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which shoots in 4K at 60, has a built-in gimbal, and gives me zero excuses to not film content. So now my quality is going up, audio, video, and we lit. So I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'll show my process setting it up probably, and then this is actually gonna be the last video of the quality you guys are seeing and hearing. So the next video you guys will see will be filmed on this right here, baby. You're not always gonna make money, guys. Not every day is a winning trade. Some days we do take losses. Losses are unavoidable. So I just want you guys to keep in mind that it's very important to manage your risk properly so you can stay in the game for the long term. That's what we're in it, guys. We're in it for the long term. Losses are inevitable. You're gonna take losses. It's all about how long can you stay in the game. Is your risk management on point? What is your risk to reward per trade? And that's it, guys. So we're gonna keep moving forward. I'm gonna be live every day, be tracking my journey with you guys. I will be trading on my personal account and on the funded account. I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit tough to balance all the different accounts while making content consistently and vlogging, going live with you guys, sharing everything. So it's new to me, you know, so just bear with me. I appreciate you guys for the support. It's only gonna get better and better from here, so let's keep going. Over and out. It's gonna be the scent for the day. This that Mont Blanc Legend. For those that don't know, I'm big on my colognes. Just walked out of Publix. I didn't even film nothing in there, but I got some things, man. About to go finish editing this video and then head to the studio and keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I'm done trading for the day. I did show you guys the trade live, but I didn't get to show me closing it live because I was on a live call with VIP and I had my phone up, so I didn't get to film it actually. But I did close the trade in about $280 profit, and I never got a pullback on US 30, so we didn't get that trade. And then NASDAQ just kept running, so left it alone. But right now it's like 11 something, so I'm done for the day. Just wanted to update you guys, and throughout the day I'll keep you updated with what else I got going on, so I could make like a cool little vlog video. But I just wanted to update you guys on the trade, so bada bing, bada boom. Alright guys, it's Saturday. I'm at an arcade right now. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm trying to get some food, and then yeah, I don't know where I'm going next, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated. You know, vibing out for the weekend, getting ready to lock in next weekend. Let's go. Yo, this shit crazy. I'm about to play Halo in this. This shit's crazy. You ready to lock in? Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to attend this wedding. You see me flyered in a bitch right now. You know what it is, man. Out here with the GOAT.
What it is, man, you already know what it is. It's the kid that did, man, big biz, man. You know, I had to come get that boy right fresh drip with the drip, man. Show him the drip real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Had that boy rocking the mob with the button down, man. You don't see the Hermes belt under there, but the Aldo's on his feet, you feel me? I'm just vibing myself, you feel me? I'm in this little cool G, you know what I'm saying? I was feeling like Leor when I was in Dior, but I had to switch it up one time, you know what I'm saying? Scott, we out.
Alright guys, so I'm on my way to the wedding. I might have mentioned it earlier. One of my good friends, his brother is getting married. He's also a friend of mine, so I'm going. Bringing my girl with me. Anyways guys, it's Sunday night, so after this wedding, I am gonna go home. I'm gonna hop on the charts. I'm gonna do my quick markups, get ready for the week. I'm gonna try to get to sleep not too late, and I will be trading live tomorrow at 9 a.m. with the VIP trading group. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I am gonna get some clips at the wedding. I am filming on my phone right now. I should be filming on the Osmo, but I forgot. Hopefully it's still in here and I didn't lose it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, I'm live. I'm at the wedding right now. You know the vibes, man. It's Sunday night. We're about to have a nice little celebration. When I get home, I will be getting on the charts. We'll be killing the markets this week. I am a little bit drunk, but that doesn't mean that I'm not sharp, but I'm not ready to go, man, because it's a confidence game, it's a risk management game, and then you got to stick to the plan, and I'm ready to stick to the plan. Hold on, man, it's in here. We just finished the ceremony. There he goes.
What a veritable